Once your financial safety net is in place, it's time to focus on the engine that builds long term wealth diversified investing. In our step 5, build a long term wealth engine through diversified investing. Financial freedom doesn't come from saving, it comes from investing smartly and consistently. Instead of trying to time the market or chase quick profits, the goal here is to build a portfolio that grows steadily, protects you during downturns, and generates income over time. The first step is the foundation. Invest in broad market ETFs. Start by building your base with a broad, low cost index funds. This gives you instant exposure to hundreds of leading companies without having to pick individual stocks. Example in US is S&P 500 ETFs such as SPY, VOO or IVV, or S&P 500 ETFs such as XUS or VFE in Canada, and total market ETF VTI, Vanguard Total Market, or VEQT or XEQT in Canada. These funds represent the world's strongest companies and have historically returned about 8 to 10% annually. Example, if you invest $500 a month in VOO, that is the S&P 500 ETF, starting at age 25, by 65 you could have over 1 million, assuming a 10% average return. Second step in our overall step number 5 of 10 steps to financial freedom is picking up quality stocks. Focus on businesses, not hype. Once your foundation is solid, add direct investments in high quality companies with consistent revenue growth, durable competitive advantages, strong balance sheets, and exposure to long term trends, that is AI, fintech, clean energy, or healthcare. We publish a new list of the 100 best stocks to buy and best ETFs. So please check out on my channel, Road to Financial Freedom and Early Retirement. Next is the stability. Hedge with commodities, that is gold, silver, and oil. Even the best markets face turbulence. That's why every long term investor needs a small safety hedge. Allocate 5 to 10% of your portfolio to gold, silver, oil, or commodity ETFs to cushion against inflation, recession, or global shocks. Examples is gold ETFs, GLD, IAU, XGD, silver ETFs is SLV, SILJ, or oil ETFs XLE, USO, and in mixed commodities DBC. Here is stock chart of SPDR Gold shares, ticker symbol GLD. As you can see in this chart, in 2016, the price of GLD was about $100. And as of recording this video in October 2025, the price is close to $400. SPDR Gold shares, ticker symbol GLD. The fund was launched in November 2024 to allow investors to gain exposure to gold prices without needing to buy or store physical gold. As you know, physical gold is always good, but if you cannot buy physical gold, then this is the best another alternative. GLD launch price November 18, 2004 was approximately $44.38 per share, and GLD price as of today in October 2025 is $377.52 per share. If you had invested $1,000 in November 2004, your investment would have reached to 8,500 as of today. So approximate gain of $7,500. And if you had invested 100K, the final value as of October would have been $850,000. That's about $750,000 of gain. That is 750% gain. During the 2008 financial crisis, the S&P 500 fell about 40%, while gold rose to 5%. That's why diversification matters. It doesn't just grow your wealth, it protects it. And why our strategy will work? Because we have a diversified portfolio across all assets such as stocks, ETFs, and commodities. We have a balance between growth and stability, and we have a simple to manage and easy to automate. Most people gamble with stocks. Smart investors build wealth machines, diversified, stable, and designed to grow forever. Once your wealth engine is running, it's time to shift from growing assets to owning assets that work for you. And that starts with our next step of financial freedom.